Hey you cats and kittens, it's Scott here again with a quick update and recap on my 5-day water-only fast in follow-up to my video from a few days ago. And the good news is I finished about 18 hours ago. Water only, soda water, electrolytes, but water only. And I've come out of this one the right way this time. Because a few years ago I came out and ate a bunch of pizza and snacks and cookies, and that was dumb. So this time I was smarter, no shock to the system, and I gotta tell you up front, I feel great. Now, I might be called Dr. Abbott in some circles, but it's not because of being a medical doctor. The benefits of fasting are numerous. I've studied it, I've lived it, and I encourage you to look into it yourself. That said, here are the 5 biggest benefits I've experienced and that are widely supported when fasting is done correctly. Number 1, it's a metabolic reset. Your body shifts from burning glucose to burning fat. Insulin drops, fat oxidation increases, and your body becomes more efficient. But it's not about weight loss, trust me. Number 2, cellular cleanup, or as they say, autophagy, hits around the 48 to 72 hour mark, and your body starts to break down damaged cells, and it recycles them. That's like internal housekeeping at a level you don't get day to day. Third, mental clarity and focus. This is real, and I need more mental clarity and focus all the time. Once you get past the initial discomfort, your brain actually starts to sharpen. You have fewer spikes throughout the day and fewer crashes. You just feel more steady and focused and energetic. Fourth, reduced inflammation and joint relief. Less food means less systemic inflammation. And for me, that translates into smoother movement, less stiffness, and better recovery, especially when I'm working out. And fifth, discipline and control, which may actually be the most important one, because you prove to yourself you can do hard things, and you reset your relationship with food, cravings, and comfort. Bottom line, I'm not sharing this because it's trendy or to check me out. It's actually to keep me in check. I share because I care. And fasting done responsibly may be one of the most powerful tools for resetting your system. And if this came in a pill or a procedure, it's been said that it would be one of the most recommended prescriptions and interventions out there. And I'll leave you with this. You can't be your best in business, work, and life and show up for others if you're not taking the best care of yourself that you can. And that's not selfish, that's actually selfless. And by the way, as you can see, I've got a beer in my hand. And why? Because I finished a 5-day fast. But it's Friday, 5:30, March Madness, NCAA's is on. And while the Indiana Hoosiers aren't in it, I'm rooting on Purdue and Michigan State and the Big Ten. It's one of my favorite times of year. That said, I encourage you, again, to look into fasting and just do your best to make sure you know what you know and why you're going to do it, because it truly is one of the best benefits I've experienced into a host of other things you should do to stay healthy physically, mentally, emotionally, relationally, and spiritually. On that note, I wish you all the best in business, work, and life. And as always, carpe momentum, and yes, go Big Ten. Abbott out.